Best time to get rich with real estate investing. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. Wouldn't it be great if you knew how to time the real estate market? Well, that's what we're talking about today. So the very best way for me to actually answer this question in talking about the best time, is there a best time, up-down markets? And I've got my team. I want to actually jump into the details of what you can do to actually know the best time to buy, and then really the secret sauce is knowing that if you have the right formula, it's actually always the best time to buy. Making money in bubbles and making money in troughs is easy. In fact, always is the right time to be investing as long as you have the right strategy. So for example, let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about. I just pulled from my last several thousand homes here. Let's talk about cash flow markets. So I've got a property here that is on 3969 Powder Mill Road, Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis is one of my hot equity markets. This is a house that was bought for $135,000, and if you take a look at the cash flow is $396. For that price point, that is a really hot cash flow, and that's what you have available to you when you purchase in a cash flow market. So if the market tanks, guess what you still have? Well, you still have your cash flow. Okay, let me show you another one. I got a house here. This one is in Lacebark Drive, Indianapolis, one of my other cash flow markets. Check out this, $89,000. So this is kind of on that lower end, and yet my cash flow right here, $388.58 a month. So again, I've got a really high cap rate, a really high cash on cash. In fact, this cash on cash all in net at the end of the day is 17.95%, which again, it doesn't get hotter than that. So these markets aerial ways available, these markets always work. Now when the market has tanked and it is in the process of coming back, that's when I go into an equity market. So for example, this house is in Florida, Davenport, that's just south of Orlando in the parks. This is $151. Purchase price in the cash flow. Notice it's smaller, it's $194, so it's less than that $200 a month. However, this house, when you look at its previous high, this house was once selling for close to $300,000, and the insurance company is going to require that just on this house alone to replace it. The replacement cost, land left out of it, is somewhere around $255,000. So these equity markets, that's how you play the market when everyone is terrified and everyone is running saying it doesn't work to invest in real estate, when in fact it is historically one of the best times. Every 80 years we have a monstrous slump, every 20 years we have a correction like we're in right now. Here's one, Kissimmee, Florida, again south some of the parks, $130,000 price point, again smaller cash flow, $142,000. But what does this home have? It has that equity growth play. So this is the kind of real estate that I do and that I have my team do for me, and that it'll actually facilitate for a number of people around the country. Because really, when you take a look at timing in the market, it's always a great time to buy as long as you have a strategy that works in both up and down markets. So when is the best time to buy real estate? It's always the best time. As long as you have the right system, the right strategy, the right philosophy, and the right team. If it's always the best time to be investing, then what are you waiting for? Get going. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.